leaving flesh and blood behind. At a fraction of the cost, they say, taking every job away. White-collar workers at their desks, blue-collar hands put to the test. The algorithm never rests while we're all failing every test. 18 trillion in the red, car loans, homes and hospital beds. Student debt that never ends, but who will pay when no one spends? The banks will crumble one by one when the defaults have begun. Machine cognition takes the lead, while human hearts can only bleed. We are the replacements, facing our displacements. This digital debasement has left us all replacements. They work without complaint, while we grow ever faint. The system shows no restraint. We are the replacements. The robots drive the trucks at night. The agents type with perfect sight. No lunch breaks and no sick days. No raises and no holiday pay. Big tech grows richer by the hour, consolidating all the power. The automated age has come, but where do we go when we're done? We are the replacements, facing our displacements. This digital debasement has left us all replacements. They work without complaint, while we grow ever faint. The system shows no restraint. We are the replacements. We are the replacements. Catastrophic waves approaching fast. How long can any human last? When cognition bows to code and every worker hits the road, unemployed and unemployable, our future's looking unliable. Homes and dreams foreclosed and sold, a story we've been told. The economy